Okay, so hi dear Aries, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a mid-monthly reading for all the Aries, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, you people, and from today till the end of May 2025. Okay, good to go. Not a love reading or career or anything specific. Whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. And want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self-Love course, two links are given below in the description box. So let's start. Okay, the overall energy for Aries people for the rest of the month of May 2025 is, let's see. Overall energy for Aries people for the rest of the month of May 2025 is, let's see. We have the Hermit card. You will be in the thinking mode. You will be in this energy of, okay, let me think about it before I'm going to say or do anything in a direction. Let me think about it properly. Okay, it's like using all of your wisdom, knowledge, and experience to like go in a particular direction, but taking your time and understanding what you should do and what you should not do. Let's see what was happening in the recent past. Lovers, there was a choice. There was a decision that you had to make in a particular direction, and there was a certain degree of magnetism and pull towards a certain situation. Maybe it was a romantic situation, but not necessary. We'll clarify these cards one by one. Currently, we have the Nine of Cups. You are working on your own independence. You are working on your own happiness. You are trying to create some kind of wish fulfillment here, and you are trying your best to fulfill one of your desires. Some of one of. By the end of this month, we have the Empress. It's a very fantastic card. Lots of growth and expansion. Lot of happiness. Lot of energy of, yeah, expanding. Something is going to expand. Aries, I think for most of you people, it's regarding your money, job, career, and finances. Your finances are going to grow beautifully by the end of this month, especially if you have invested and you are you are waiting for your investments to give you good results. Let's clarify the lovers in the recent past for you guys, honey. We have the Queen of Swords, the Nine of Pentacles, the Strength card. There was a choice between you choosing yourself or you choosing a particular situation that was actually very close to your heart, very close to your this energy of you wanting that situation, that person, that thing in your life. But there was a choice between you choosing that situation or choosing yourself, and you were postponing you were in this energy of, okay, let's think about it, let's not make the choice right now, let's think about it. So you were in the thinking mode regarding a very important choice or decision that you had to make in a particular direction in the recent past. Now, currently, you are working on your happiness, wish fulfillment, wish fulfill. What's wrong with me? Let's clarify the Nine of Cups. These days, I'm feeling very disconnected from tarot, and the more I'm feeling disconnected, the more the readings are coming very clear, very precise. Something is happening that I'm not able to understand on a human level, and it happens with me a lot of times. But this time, it's kind of strange. Nine of Pentacles, the Fool, the Sun. You're heading towards a very happy go lucky kind of energy. See, you are creating some kind of stable base for your future, and you know all you are going to get out of this journey of yours is happiness. So you are creating your own reality, you are creating your own happiness, and you know what you want, and you're heading towards that straight away without any kind of ifs or buts or without any kind of disruptions. You know what you want, and you're heading towards it, and you know this whatever you are heading towards is going to give you tremendous happiness when you're going to get it. Good. By the end of this month, we have the Empress. Let's clarify the Empress. We have the Six of Pentacles, the Six of Cups, and the Ten of Swords. Okay, finding your inner balance. You are going to end some kind of chapter of your past with something or someone that was very close to your heart. So the decision that you postponed in the past, you are going to take in the future, and you are going to put an end to a cycle that still is very important for you, but you are going to choose to work on yourself. You are going to choose to find your inner peace, find your own balance, find your own happiness, and have growth and expansion in your individual life. So you're basically working on yourself. Black makes me look very sexy. I don't know why. I feel good when I like wear black. And the quote is, "You people." Sometimes it's good for me. So yeah, anyway, choosing yourself and heading towards a lot of growth and expansion, and straight away heading towards the thing that you really are hoping for to get in the coming future, and you're very excited and happy about it. For most of you, it's your career growth. For most of you, for some of you, it could be like a project or your health or some kind of routine that you started, and you're very excited about the future ahead of you. And you're ending some you for some of you, you're ending a past pattern, past cycle. For some of you, it's a connection, it's a situation, maybe a friendship, maybe a situation, maybe a connection with your family member or somebody who's very close to your heart and soul. But this is your final decision, that you are letting go of something or someone from your past, and you're heading towards your own happiness, growth and expansion, and finding your inner balance. For you, the guidance here is you are on the right track, you got it, and just keep moving ahead. Release. You have to do a lot of cleaning while you are on this path of realizing what you really want and heading towards that straight away. Okay, so keep on releasing, keep on letting go, and keep on going wherever you are going, and keep on doing whatever you are doing, because it's working out in your favor eventually in a very beautiful and positive way. So yeah, good to go. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.